Alright, we're going to change our cabin air filter. I'll put links to this in the video description. So I've already emptied out my glove compartment. We're just going to open it up. And what you're going to do is press on these two sides right here. Press in, and this gets these clips. You see how it's broken right there, and it allows that to relax. And then down here, this is where our air filter is. So let me get you a good look at that. So you see these tabs right here and right here. So I'm just going to grab those, push in, and this drawer pulls out, okay? Just like that. Now notice right here, it says airflow with a down arrow, so that's important. So I'm going to take this out. It's been 15,000 miles. It's not that dirty. But I'm going to change it. I'm going to throw the old one on the floor. I'm going to take my new one. I've already, for camera purposes, taken the plastic off of it, so I don't have to do that on camera. This will be wrapped in plastic when you remove it. And you'll see that there's an airflow down. So I just want to take this, set it in here like this. It does have a direction. It's not exactly a square, so it goes in there nicely. And then airflow down, airflow down. Get my pleat to set in there nice. Okay, so now I just make sure that's going back in the hole. Just level it out, just kind of slide it in. You'll hear it click. So that clicked back in. Now we're just gonna squeeze the glove compartment again right here, and it catches. So that's it. That's how you change your cabin air filter and save you a lot of money.